Hello kids, today we will be studying about food, the food we eat. We eat a lot of meals, right? Your mama keeps saying eat breakfast, eat lunch, eat dinner. And in these meals, we have to eat a variety of food. Like we need to eat chapati, we need to eat rice, we need to eat fruits, vegetables. Your mama keeps saying drink milk. So why is this that we have to eat a variety of food? Okay, the first question, why do we even need to eat food? There are many uses of food. The main reason is food gives us energy to do a lot of activities. It also protects our body and it keeps our body healthy. So let us see the reasons why we actually need to eat food. So we need food because food gives us energy to do work and to do a lot of activities. You kids don't do any work, right? Do you help your mama at home? Hmm? So we you don't do any work like your mama does or your papa does, but you need food, you need energy to play games, to do a lot of activities. You do play games, right? You also need energy to study, to read books, or to do nice drawings, nice colorful drawings. We also need food because food gives us energy to do exercise, yoga, which keeps our body fit. Other than this, what are the other uses of food? We eat food because food helps our body to grow. You're growing, right? You were a small baby, then you were uh, a toddler, then you're grown up into big boys and girls, right? So when you're growing, have you observed even your body parts are growing? So for your body parts to grow and be strong and healthy, we need food. The food helps our body to grow healthy and strong. Food we eat also protects us from illness, sickness, or different kinds of diseases. You wouldn't like to be sick and go to doctor and have those medicines, right? So if you want to avoid doctor and medicine, then what you should do? You should eat healthy food. So there are different kinds of food. So there are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. So now coming to the question why we need to eat a variety of food. We need to eat a variety of food because the food we eat, some food gives us energy, some food helps to keep our body healthy, and some food helps our body to grow strong and healthy. So let us see some of the examples of each of these different kinds of food. Energy giving food. Potato is an energy giving food. The bread which we eat is an energy giving food. Then cereals. Cereals you'll easily find it at home. Wheat, rice. Wheat is the one with which we make chapati. So rice you know, then corn you know, then jawar. These are all cereals and these are energy giving food. Now coming to bodybuilding food. Milk is a bodybuilding food. Nuts, the dry fruits which we eat are bodybuilding food. Egg and meat is bodybuilding food. Then the pulses again, like we had cereals which were energy giving food. We have pulses which are bodybuilding food. So what are the examples of pulses? It's moong dal or tur dal. Basically the all the kind of dals or the lentils. Then you have chana, rajma. All these are pulses, and all these are rich in nutrients called proteins, which helps in building our body. Means they help us to build muscles, to be strong for the well growth of body. Then protective food, the food which protects us from illness or sickness. Basically, the protective food are all the fruits and all the vegetables. So now you know why mama keeps saying you have to eat all the variety of fruits, all the variety of vegetables. I know you might be having some favorite vegetable and some vegetables which you don't like to eat. You might be like you might love to eat some fruits. You might like watermelon but don't like grapes. So but you have to eat all the variety of fruits and vegetables because they helps you to uh, helps your body. It helps you to protect from different kinds of sickness and illness. Now milk is a very important food. Every day morning your mama keeps saying you have to drink milk. So why is that? See, milk is a very important food. It is an energy giving food. It is also a protective food, and it is also a bodybuilding food. So, milk also gives us energy. It also helps in growth of your body, and it also protects you from sickness or illness. So, it's very important to drink milk, or at least the milk products like paneer, curd, cheese. So, you need to have variety of you need to consume, you need to eat, drink milk, and also eat the various milk products. So today we learned about the different kinds of food, which are they are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. So now you have an idea, we have answered your question why we need to eat different kinds of food. So now you understood why mama keeps saying you have to eat all the food, all the fruits, all the vegetables, right? So you also understood which food helps to protect our body, which food gives us energy. So now I have an exercise for you. Okay, right? You have to go into the kitchen with your mama and identify different kinds of food and identify which are the energy giving food, which are the protective food, which are the bodybuilding food. So will you do this exercise for today? Okay, so again, just we will repeat it again. So the different kinds of food are energy giving food, and the examples were potato, bread, and cereals. Bodybuilding food are the food which helps a body to grow and be strong, and the examples were pulses, milk, meat, egg, and the third one was protective food, and the examples were fruits and vegetables, right? So you'll do the exercise? Yes? Okay, bye.